What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, EBKICKS, coming back with just another video. So today, we got another unboxing. Another special unboxing. I'm not gonna trick y'all like I did the last video. I'm gonna really show you the first look right when it comes out the box. So before we get into this video, make sure that you go down here, hit that subscribe button, Hulk smash that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell too, because you don't want to miss any of these videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
I don't hit the stage unless my tennis shoes new. Out with the old ones and in with the new. I got a
older Jordan alert. That's how we doing it, y'all. I'll let y'all go ahead and see what this shoe is. Yeah. The official name of the shoe, Air Jordan 12 Retro. Official color of this shoe is white, varsity red, and black. As we all know, these shoes as the rising suns, these are sick. I promise you, they're nice. These shoes released November 21st, 2009. These shoes are 9 years old, bro. 9. What we're going to do is we're going to take a closer look at one of my favorite Jordans that released back in 09. These shoes retailed at $150 when they first came out, and now they're reselling for the high ends of $280 or more. Taking a look at the side of the shoe, you have that midsole of the basketball texture, and then you have this patent leather reptile going on the side of the shoe. And then coming from the toe box to the upper to the heel of the shoe, you have that inspired rising sun leather all over with the perforations in it. The back of the shoe has that black and red patch heel tab that gives the shoe a little bit of color, even though this all white shoe is okay without color. This tumbled leather is very nice. Very, very nice. And then on the outsole, you have that same herringbone pattern that all Jordan 12s have. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks again, Sneaker Mafia, for coming and watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next. Let's get some B-rolls of the shoe, and then we'll take it to the end. So let's get it. Alright, Sneaker Mafia, that's all we got for you today. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do what you do. Remember, stay on your grind and don't let nobody tell you can't shine. This is your boy EBKICKS, and I'm clocking out. Peace.
Please subscribe my daddy's page.
Get a praise on. I was trying to dunk, trying to get my J's on. Call my shoe game grace, cause it's so amazing. Air Max 95, Nike boots, high top, Jamaican dunk, red, yellow, green.